do the replacement of the new controller on Diana's bike. The controller ceased to operate, so now I need to get in there, replace it. I'm glad the all the connectors are all pretty easy. Tiny little arrow on that you have to line up. Wish me luck. Okay, so I got my lamp, and these little guys, this was easy to take apart. That one, I had to be able to yank on that guy, and then it came out of these holes here, fed through here. I'll show you on the other side. So yeah, I just need to get this one out of here. That controller just fell right down. So my thought is I'll attach those two wires. Instead of taking the whole darn thing apart, I'll just start attaching as I go. Alright, old one out, new one in. Go to the other side, make sure these were actually quite easy to put together. Just one pulling apart was a little difficult. So now I just need those two things to put together. Okay, those are on. So here's the moment of truth. I need to put the battery in. See if it works. Alright, everything's connected correctly. No disconnected parts. Everything is done right. I slid the battery in. I turned it on. The battery is in. And it does the same thing. The battery does not light up when it's connected. I can take it out. Come on, unlock it. I'll turn it back on. Works in. When it's out, slide the battery back in. Back in. Turn it back on. Push the buttons. Nothing. Turn it on here. Nothing. Nothing. So, took the controller out. So what's wrong? No power on the battery. Talking about frustrating. Slide it up. So it's out of the cradle. It's not connected. And it works. But there's some problem with the connections of this battery. Jeez. So, that's the battery. Those are the connectors. And there's the connectors there. I need help. So, I need help. That's the battery, it's in there. Is there a way to fix this? Can this plate be taken off? Can something be done on that? Or does this whole battery need to be replaced?